Hi, and welcome to Power Tools. Today, I will quickly go through the visibility mode for your filters. This feature allows you to hide certain filter groups until you have selected from a parent filter or collection. If you take a look at my online store, you'll notice the size filter has a pretty long, unstructured list. What we really want is for the size options to only appear after a product type has been selected. To set that up, let's click the Visibility button on the Size Filter group. From here, select the option to only show when filters or collections below are selected. We want the size to show up whenever a type filter is selected, so let's click Select All in the Types group and set Visibility mode. After making these changes, make sure you're also clicking Save to update the filter menu in your online store. As you can see, the size filter is now tucked away until the type is selected, and once it appears, the list is much more focused and relevant to that specific collection. So much tidier. And that's how you set visibility modes to your filter groups. Hope that helps, and thanks for watching.